You may also be sat there and sort of thinking, well, I deal with several hundreds and clients with all of these different behavioural biases, some of which were noted on the screen a few moments ago. How on earth am I supposed to try and decipher which sort of behavioural biases any given client is going to be susceptible to? So we have this guide here which can be used just as a rule of thumb, really.
Well, the first thing we're going to think about is what's the client's objective here? We need to give them a lifestyle they can enjoy. That means income. So I'm going to suggest we're going to use 2 discounted gift trusts because the requirement is for income.
Both of the children want to go to university. They're not in private education at the moment, but they do want to go to uni. So we want to find a way of paying for that as well. We want to protect Luke's assets for Grace because ultimately he wants her to benefit from them. And we also want to perhaps have a bit of access to the capital at the moment, maybe now or in the future.
So this first point here, the US equity market is a huge driver for personal wealth in the US. Now, something like 85% of Americans are invested in the US equity market through various forms, obviously through their 401ks and through other investments as well. And what that means is that the Fed are always going to be concerned with the level at which the S&P 500 is at.
So who you pick as trustees could be quite important. A UK trust can last 125 years. Who can you rely upon beyond the children, beyond the grandchildren? So think long term.